The city of Jasmine and the seven gates, Damascus. It is the most prominent and oldest culture capital in the world due to its prestige in the fields of science, culture, arts, politics, and literature since the 3rd millennium BC. It has a population of about 6 million people. And the time of the establishment of the city dates back to 9,000 years BC, as evidenced by excavations near is the site of Tel Ramad. Part of it is located on the slopes of Mount Quiesen, and the old part is on the southern bank of the Barada River, while the modern neighborhoods are spread on the northern and western sides of the city, surrounded by the orchards of Gotha. The accounts differed in defining the meaning of its name, so some suggested that it is a word of ancient Assyrian origins that means a prosperous land, and it is said that he was named Sham after Sham ben Noah. Damascus is known by many names, such as Dat al-Imad, Demetrius, Jalak, Dorat al-Sharq, Shama al-Dunya, Sham Sharif, Kinana Allah, Damaska, Damaski, Dimas, Dar al-Maskiya, and the city of Jasmine. Among the main landmarks in the city are the shrine of the Prophet Ibrahim al-Khalil in the Barza region, and the great Umayyad Mosque built by the Umayyads, which is a huge mosque famous for its white minaret. The Bimaristan al-Nuri, which is today a museum of Arabic science and medicine, and the Nur al-Din Zanki Batan al-Buzuriya, the oldest of the many baths in Damascus, and still in operation today. Al-Hamidiyya and Midhat Basha markets, which depict history and civilization in the Levant, in addition to the Church of Hananiah, Al-Azm Palace, Damascus Citadel, Maryamaya Church, and the Seven Gates of Damascus.